Hello, welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture, I teach Laravel UI and how to work Laravel UI. First step, I change this uh, default route to uh, and define index and change to welcome for default Laravel. And change header home to blog and change name to blog. Okay, we can change these home and change this. If refresh, see the default and blog and see this blog work, about work, sample work, contact work, home work. It is good, and we can use Laravel UI. Laravel UI for authentication and for install Laravel UI we can use composer require Laravel UI. And just in terminal, composer require Laravel UI and enter for download. Laravel UI version 3.1 is now available and download complete. For use Laravel UI, if use Bootstrap, use this code and we can see PHP artisan and UI is added. Okay, for Bootstrap we can use this UI Bootstrap, and for Vue.js and React we can use this. For example, we can use Bootstrap and adding successfully, and for CSS and we can use npm install and npm run dev in this. Copy and see and install npm and next npm run dev. In continue, you can install npm and we can use these. And for React, PHP artisan UI React us, and Next.js we can use PHP artisan UI Next.js. Okay, in here and wait to install Laravel, wait to install npm install. Install npm, create one directory with npm install and not module library root, and if open and library install it. Okay, in install finish and npm raw development running. Okay, it is okay and finish. For finish, PHP artisan UI Bootstrap run, copy, paste, and PHP artisan UI Bootstrap us. Okay, wait to finish. Okay, finish and PHP UI artisan Bootstrap. And okay, in default refresh and see login and register added for default. Okay, if click register it is work, and if click login it is work. Register, my name is Tawhid, email a@b.com. for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 register. It is not work. Why? Because database is not work. For connected to database, I open env file Udemy Laravel, and just open terminal and php artisan migrate for run database, and error, and table name and table type is correct. Okay, I change this table name. I open this in programming php my admin. Okay, and create new database Safari, okay, for default, and change this and php artisan migrate and see error. This error for could not driver open php XAMPP and php ini file config php ini file, php Ctrl F, php pdo, okay, and find up or down, find pdo not found, pdo mysql, and change this Ctrl S and stop and start. Okay, and php artisan migrate, repeat, and it is finally work in create user. If change Udemy Laravel php artisan migrate, it is fine work, and we can use Udemy Laravel on database name Udemy Laravel. Okay, it is table users, and we can register here and refresh this page, resend. Okay, you are logging it. Okay, refresh in user, and we can see user ID 1 and name Tohid and email a@b.com and password hash and token created at, updated at, and create new user. It is work, and I can log out or register login it and login a@b and password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 or login. It is work, and we can log in system, and we can see login it in user for check dd as user and refresh in index. We can see login user in index, ID, password, and user, email, name, and other.